Good morning, students. I, your mathematics teacher, I.K. Misra, once again present here. Today, I proceed the chapter 6 simplification. Students, in previous videos, I cleared the exercise 6a. Students, today I am going to proceed. I am going to start here new chapter, new exercise 6b. Students, in 6b, all of the questions of simplification, but here a very important term you have to know. Here you have to know the concept of a square root. Students, first of all, know what is square root. A square root of a number is a number that's a square is previous number. Suppose here I write a number 9, and we have to find square root. Students, the symbol used for square root be this. Here, this is the symbol of a square root. And students, we have to find a square root of 9. Square root of 9 means a number whose square is 9. That means here, suppose here you multiply 3 into 3. Here 3 square is equal to 3 square. Here 3 square means 9. Here 3 square means 9. That means under root of 9 is equal to 3. Here, so it will be written 3 square, and 3 square means here under root is equal to under root 9 equal to 3. So you can write root 9 equal to 3. Suppose in general term under root x, when you square the under root x, then you will get x, and here under root x is the square root of x. Here a square root, you have to find a square root of 25. Here you have to find a square root of 25. That means you will write here, you have to write under root 25. It is called as under root 25, and under root 25 equal to, you know, whose square is that number. Here is equal to 5. Why? 5 into 5 is equal to 25, and here, so it's a square equal to 5. That means 25 square, 25 equal to 5 square, and its a square is 5. 5 square is 25, so it's a square root be 5. But here a question, how we will know whose square is that number? That means we have to know the process to find the square root. Here in simple word, I know a square of 5 is equal to 25, but we have to find the square root of that number whose square is not known to us. So know the process to find the square root. Friends, to finding the square root, here first of all find the prime factorization of number. Suppose you have to find square root of 36. Students, you have to find the square root of 36. That means you can write 36 under root 36 is equal to, first of all find prime factorization. Here 2 18, here 2 9, here 3 times. Students, it will be written as under root 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And students, here you observe each prime factors having pairing of 2. That means it will be written under root 2 square into 3 square. Friends, here 2 square and 3 square, and here two numbers having a square, so it will be out from the root, under root. So it's a square root equal to 2 into 3. It's this symbol, a square root, under root symbol is removed by this square. So here 2 into 3, that means 6. So you can write under root 36 equal to 6. Similarly, students, you can find any number's square root. Suppose you have to find the square root of, find under root 196. Here, students, you have to find a square root of this number. Here, first of all, find 196 prime factorization. 2, 9, 8, 2, 4, 9, 7, 7. Students, observe. Here, it will be written under root 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. And here, it means 2 square, it means 7 square. Here, under root 2 square into 7 square. That means is equal to, here a square is present and a square is here. So its root on this number is removed. So it will be written 2 into 7. And that means 14. So a square root of 196 is equal to 14. Similarly, students, you can solve all of the questions to find the square root of any number. Suppose you have to find, in another question I write here, we have to find a square root of find a square root of 576, a number. And students always know here whose square root is a integer, then that is a perfect square number. Here, suppose here under root x, that means here x square means under root x square, sorry, leave this. Here you have to find 576. Here you have to find under root 576. First of all, find prime factorization 576. Do 2 times here 2, 2, 8, 2, 8, 8. Here 2, 8, 8. Now 2 times 1, 4, 4. Again 2 times here 7, 2. Again 2 times 36. Again 2 times 18. Again 2 times 9. Again 3 times. Friends, observe here. Here under root 576 it will be written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That means here observe 2, 2, 2, 2. Pairing of 2. So it will be written 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 3 square. Students, after that here a square is present. So a square, remove the square root, this symbol. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And that means 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 3, 24. So students, square root of 576 is equal to 24. Similarly, students, you can find the square root of any square number. Suppose here a number, a question, you have to find the square root of 50. Here you have to find the square root of 50. Here question. Students, here it will be written 2 into 5 into 5. And students, here observe 1, 2 is 1, not 2, pair of 2. It will be written under root 2 into 5 square. Here a squaring number in multiplication only 5. Here 5 is a square, but 2 is not a square. So its a square is equal to, it will be written 5 b outside be the square root. That means 5 and 2 has no square. So 5 root 2. Its a square root is 5 root 2. Clear, students? Students, here I write some questions. Find the square root of the following. Here 10 question I give you. Solve all of this question and send your homework on my personal number. Students, here pause the video, write the all of the question and try to solve as I give the concept to find the square root. So students, pause the video and solve all of this. Students, the concept of a square root is many times used in next chapters. In with that chapter will be studied in after that this chapter. So students, you complete the concept of a square root that I cleared in previous. Students, now I am going to proceed to solve all of the important question of exercise 6b. Here I write the questions of 6b. So now solve the question number 2 of, here the number is written as your question number in your book 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, not in here series. Students, here first of all solve second number question of your exercise 6b of RS Agarwal book. Here question number 2, 54 divided by 3 of 6 plus 9. Students, as you know that first of all do the operation of off and after that division. So here 54 divided by, and off means multiplication. So here 18 plus 9 is equal to, students, here now divide 54 by 18. That means 3 times plus 9, and that means 1, 2, 12. Its simplest value is 12. Clear? Now proceed. Second number question, third number here of the book, 3 number question. Here 13 minus 12 minus 6 plus 3. Here students, 13 minus, do the operation in this bracket. Here 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 and plus 3 9. Here and in 9, and after that 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. So students, its simplest value is equal to 4. Now proceed in question number 5. Here in question number 5, 133 plus 28 divided by 7 minus 8 into 2. Students, here first of all do the process of division, only division. Here division, after that multiplication. So here 133 plus and 28 divided by 7, that means 4 times 4 minus and 8 into 2, 16. Now students, here add and subtract 16. Here 137 minus 16, and after that students 1, 2 and 1, 121 is answer of 5 number question. Friends, now proceed in question number 8. Here in 8 number question, 27 minus 18 minus 16 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1. Here students, as in previous video I discussed how will you do the bar bracket uses. Here minus is outside the bar bracket, so first of all subtract 1 minus 1, here minus 1, that means 4 minus 1, and do the sign of this. So now students, here 27 minus 18 minus 16 minus here 5, and do the operation on in this. Here minus sign is used, and here 3. Students, now after that, here 27 minus 18 minus 16, and do the operation in it. Minus 2, here small bracket is removed. After that 27 minus, students, 18 minus here 16 minus 2, 14, and curly bracket is removed. After that, here 27 minus 4, 18 minus 14, 4, and after that 23. Students, it is the simplest value of question number 8. Clear students? Now proceed in question number 9. Students, here in question number 9, students, 32 minus 48 divided by 36 minus 27 minus 16 minus 9. Students, this is the question of 9 number. Students, first of all do the process of bar bracket and then remove a small bracket and then curly bracket. Now 32 minus 48 divided by here 36 minus 27, and do the process of bar bracket, so minus 7. After that, students, 32 minus 48 divided by here 36 minus, do the operations, 20. Students, after that, 32 minus 48 divided by, do the operation, that means divided by 16, and curly bracket is removed. After that, students, 32 minus here 3 times, divide 48 by 16 3 times, and after that here 29 is the simplest value of question number 9. Now proceed in question number 10. Here in 10 number question, 8 minus 28 divided by 34 minus 36 minus 18 divided by 9 into 8. Clear students? Here 8 minus 28 divided by 34 minus, do the operation in small bracket. First of all do the division process and then multiplication. Here divide 18 by 9 2 times, and then this, that means 36 minus here 2 times and 8, 16 divided by, first of all divide 2, here its value be 2, and multiply into 8, so value is 16, so minus 16. After that Students, 8 minus 28 divided by 34 minus and subtract here 20. Clear, students? Now proceed here. 8 minus 28 divided by, here do the process, and here subtract, then 14. Curly bracket is removed. After that 8 minus here 2 times, so 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Students, question number 10, simplest value is 6. Students, here I solve all of these questions. Students, I think you clearly understand the concept of a square root and solve all of the questions of exercise 6b. So students, exercise 6b completed. That's all. Thank you, and send your homework on my personal number or in group. So students, clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.